Hey guys, thought I'd go over a Sentry Bot real quick so you guys can see kind of what went into this guy making him. As you can see, not full size, it would not have fit through doors. Actually, this guy barely fits through doors. So he's fully radio control, he's articulate. The missile launcher also has servos in it. So you have the ability from the controller to activate combat mode. When you activate combat mode, the Sentry Bot's lines change, and on top of that, these missiles come out just like it does in the game. The head has an actual camera, FPV camera inside of it, and the ability to look around. So this allows the user to see through the Sentry Bot in case you want to control it from a distance so people don't see you, which is pretty fun. Sentry Bot actually has Power Wheels gearbox and motor on each leg and operates kind of with tank controls. As you can see here, this is the gearbox is in here, motor goes up through the core, and it's belt driven. It's tensioner to make sure that the belt grabs on tightly. Sentry Bot, this one can actually move very fast, and omnidirectional wheels. What you see here is an aluminum frame. The barrel also spins around, and when it reaches the top, activates LEDs and a smoke fire effect. It's all built in here. It uses e-cig actual mechanism to blow out the smoke, combined with like a pump mechanism that I made on the inside. But here you can see kind of the wiring that was done to activate the LED. The panel closes it up. See some of the details. The gearing inside that was created. This is actually powered by a servo. So it's small little servo in here, but because of the way it's geared, it can power the arms and operate it. Sentry Bot is controlled using this old school controller. How's that for classic throwback? But yeah, this little guy controls Sentry Bot. One part controls his movement, the other one controls his upper body, torso, and arms. Like he looks around, aims up and down, and I believe actually these are all for different lines. And different button combinations actually unlock different lines. So you hit a combination, he'll get a whole new set of lines. And hitting select, I believe, changes his speed from slow to fast. So he's got quite a few nice features on this thing. A few bugs. And fortunately he hasn't killed anybody yet, but I do have stories. Show you the rear here. Let's see. Battery fits back here, slots in here. Lithium battery, lasts for quite a while. Powers up everything. This is where I plug it in here. He has a speaker mounted underneath, so he can talk and make sounds just like in the game. This is the tray. So here's where we store most of Sentry Bot's electrical components. There's a Raspberry Pi in here, motor controller, servo controller in the back here, and this is all programmed in Python. All the programming and electrical work was done by my friend Guy Carver, technical director of Bethesda Game Studios. These fans are actually ducted into the actual tray, so it does cool down his components while he's running, because they do get very hot, especially the motor controller powering with two big motors. In my next video, I'll show you how he operates. We'll turn him on, show you how he moves around, and how the controller works.